I've just started sneezing. Anyway, it's now it's now Friday night. Maybe to you guys. It's early Saturday morning. It's middle of the night here. It's nearly 3:30 in the morning. I woke up, came down because I couldn't sleep, and started sneezing. Now, some people said to me, "Oh, it's shampoos or." Or maybe I need to see a hydro or eyebrow allergy, something, I don't know what. I have been sneezing since I was about 15 years old. I guess puberty died. And I always started with 6 sneezes. And the whole family used to count it. 1, 2, 3. And then it was finished. And every year I got older, it increased one more. So I got, when I was 15, 16, I got 7 sneezes. And the family used to count 1, 2, 3. And as I got older, they had become more until I got to about 13, 14 sneezes when I was about 25. And now I'm 52, and my sneezes just run into each other. It's like a fit, a sneezing fit. It's like, and sometimes I want to slap my face and get out of it, but I can't. I don't know what's causing it. You know, I've looked at what I've eaten, looked at what I drink. It's just become part of my life. It's very normal now. I mean, even last weekend I went out to a restaurant, and in the middle of the restaurant, I just finished my starter. It was carpaccio. No, actually, it was chicken soup. And then I had carpaccio, which is a very thinly sliced raw beef with rucola. I think that in America is cilantro, with pine nuts and Parmesan cheese and a little bit of pesto on the top. It's very nice. And then I started sneezing in this restaurant, and everyone was looking at me, and the kids were laughing. So I had to quickly leave, and I forgot to take my phone with me. So that was funny. Well, anyway, my sneezing's finished. Anyway, folks, I hope this video is rotated properly. Love you all, folks. Bye.